Welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to be looking at using blend modes to create a surreal double exposure portrait image. So let's get straight into the video. Now these videos are intended with the beginner in mind, so if you follow along, you should be able to produce a really good looking piece of artwork by the end of the video. Now to start the video, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click Window, and then we're going to go to Workspace, and then we're going to click Reset Essentials to ensure that your screen looks exactly like mine. Then we're going to come over to next to the Home button, there is the Move tool. We want to right click that and we want to reset all tools and say OK to that. Now you can download this image of this model from the description box below and load it into Photoshop. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this layer by clicking my layer and going Command and J, and I now have a duplicate layer. What I'm going to do is I'm going to reduce the opacity of this layer so we can actually see through this layer to the layer below. Now at the moment we can't see any effect of that because these two images are perfectly exactly on top of each other. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to transform this and change it. Now in order to do that, I'm going to come up to my Edit menu. I'm then going to come down to my Transform menu, and then I'm going to flip horizontally. And now what that will do is we'll make this layer have the girl looking over to the left. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring my opacity back so that we're at full capacity, and then I'm going to choose a blend mode. So you can go through these blend modes, and depending on the picture that you're using, you might have some very interesting effects. Lighten or screen normally works quite well if you've got a lot of dark parts in the image, and if you've got a lot of light parts in the image, you want to go for any of these darken type blend modes. So I'm going to go for lighten. I quite like that one indeed. Now it's at this point where I want to get this top layer, I want to get my Move tool and I want to move it maybe from side to side. This is quite a surreal looking image at this point, or you might want to go the other way and move it over here and have two heads like that. So I really like it looking like this, so I'm going to leave this image as it is. As always, if you found this video useful, please do give it a like. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.